Hey guys, it's Mary and today we're unboxing the Connect On Lightning to USB-C cord for iPhones. This is for like the iPhone SE2, iPhone SE3, 11, 11 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max, all those phones, the newer phones. So let's get into it. This is the box it came in. Here's it all in different directions. All this good stuff. Alright, we're going to, oh, never mind. We don't need scissors, I don't think. Yeah, we do actually. Lovely. We're just going to cut the top off right here. Alright. And, then we can just that was hard to get off. There's the cord. So I'm just gonna pick up anything that went into the floor. Although I don't see anything, but oh well. Okay. Next, we're gonna remove twist ties. Twist ties, twist ties. Where are you, little twist ties? Okay, I see. Didn't want to separate. I'm just removing the first twist tie here, closest to me. So next I'm just going to remove the second twist tie right here. Okay, just removing it. It's harder to remove than the first, but we're gonna get it. Alright, and because I don't like the way, oh, you guys, look at this. It's got its own little cord holder. And I love that. That is so good. Oh my gosh. You don't have to use this, but it just had it wrapped around, and I'm definitely going to be using that. Maybe. So, okay. I'm going to put those over there, put the scissors away. Okay, for a sec. And I'm going to open this up, basically, and I'm just going to rip off that little sticker, okay? Just rip that right on off. Okay, just do that because it should not be there. I got it in the color red, okay? Next, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to put on the cord connector. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So I need to slide it over one of the ends, but doesn't seem to want to go. So I'm going to try my hand at it again. Okay, I don't think it's supposed to go over one of the ends from how it's looking, okay? But it's seeming like it doesn't want, or doesn't go over, I don't know. You know what, forget. We're just going to, oh, okay, I see. All right, so we're gonna put that on like this, and then tuck, tuck, tuck. All right. All right, so we're gonna just kerflop, put that on in, okay. And put that down like this, okay. Can see how we have that to go right there, and then you're just gonna want to, okay, all right, you're just gonna put that right on through, and then just wrap this right on around, holding it at each point. And bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. It's on. Now, it's time to try it. Hey guys, so we're back and I'm here with Alyssa. Hi. AKA The Allie Show, and today we're going to try this out. Alright, so I need to find the proper end that goes into my phone. Here we go. This is the lightning end on this cord. Sorry for the very bad flash. Oh my god. Oh, hear that click?
Yeah.
Wow. Tell me if that ain't secure. Alright, so, and it even comes, as I said, with its own holder. Okay?
Yeah.
So, I have the native cube that came with it. Or not cube, but cord. And I'm just gonna put the new one in. Ooh! There we go. And there it is. It's in there. I was trying to do it with one hand and I almost knocked about 100 things off. Excuse any sniffling you may have heard in the previous segment. She's under the weather. Anyway, Alyssa, before I begin the outro, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Is it burning?
No.
What is the quarter like? The holder.
It's like a fuzzy holder. No. It's just a Velcro holder that you can use when you have to put your cord away. That's it.
I'm getting that.
Okay.
Do you know the price?
No, I don't. Well, I don't have the price, you guys, but just search on Lightning unregistered, or no, connect on registered Lightning to USB-C cord on Walmart.com, and you can find what it would be in store. So, yep.
How many feet is it?
6 feet.
Just what I needed.
Mm-hmm.
That's all my questions.
All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if this helps, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll give you guys an update in a few, once it's been used a little bit, to charge my phone. Bye, guys.